Welcome, Panda-Frog here. Today I got the American lock, all brass, even the coarse brass, ENG-281. I don't know which number that is, but let's get in a vise and pick it. I have the feeling it's similar to the picking of the regular 1100, but we will see. This is the key. Alright, so let's go. A nice click out of 1, nothing on 2, nothing on 3, 4, 5, and we got a fourth set. Very nice. Checking 1, nothing, 2, nothing. Got counter rotation on 3. Oh, and we're already open. Well, that was rather easy. So let's gut this baby. Okay, so we got a screw in here, which is is it a Torx? Yeah, it looks like. Let's see if we can find the right one. It looks too big. Too small. Eh. Doesn't fit. No, it's not a screw. It looks like that I cannot open this one. I don't have a... That's strange. It's not an Allen key. So it looks like I cannot gut this one. At least not non-destructive. So it was the American lock TEHx6 all brass, picked and not gutted. As you saw, pretty easy, quick pick. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.